Stop copying and pasting text from websites. It's a waste of time. Today, we are building an AI agent that can visit any URL, read the content, and automatically extract exactly what you need. Welcome to Naga Automation. In our Agentic AI series, before we have used pre-built tools, but today we level up. We are going to build a custom tool for our AI agent. Install required libraries. Let's start coding. First, import all required libraries. Then we create a function called scrap website. This tool visits a URL, reads all the paragraph data using BS4 and sends clean text back to the agent. Let's create our AI agent. Then we connect this tool to our Gemini powered agent and instruct it to extract the top insights in bullet points. Simple. This agent has the brain and the tool gives it power. Now save the file and let's test it. We run it on a Wikipedia article. You can see tool activated. The agent opens the website, reads the content and formats the top 5 facts perfectly. You can use this to extract product prices, news articles, or competitor data automatically. Stick around for the interview question and answers at the end, and don't forget to subscribe.